Okay, guys, if you're just joining me, we are still having much fun here. Alexander Isak has declared war on Newcastle. He says promises have been broken, and he believes it's in the best interest of both parties that relationship should never continue. So it's a big bombshell then for Newcastle United as Isak vows not to play for them again. Liverpool submitted a bid initially £110 million that was rejected by Newcastle. Yeah. Are they going to return with the second bid? We don't know. Will Liverpool be back for another improved offer for Alexander Isak? And the question again is, if your top player doesn't want to play for you, why then do you want to keep him against his will? Why did Newcastle turn down £110 million from Liverpool for a player who doesn't want to play for them anymore? Really surprising and shocking. Really shocking. These are some of the unbelievable questions, unfathomable questions that are blowing people's minds. Yeah. Hey. Will Alexander Isak become a Liverpool player this season? The striker has come out to declare war on Newcastle United, vowing not to play for them again. He says promises have been broken and it's in the best interest of both parties to separate, to go their separate ways. Alexander Isak today breaking his silence on that transfer saga. We'll monitor all of that for you here on this page. So go nowhere, guys. Stick with me on a daily basis as I bring you juicy, fresh, hot, untamed story from around the globe in the world of soccer. Yeah. All right, guys. And it's Alexander Isak that is taking and grabbing all the headlines today. I'm proud to be recognized by my fellow professionals with a place in the PFA Premier League team of the season for 2024-25 season. First and foremost, I want to thank my teammates and everyone at Newcastle United who has supported me along the way. I am not at the ceremony tonight with everything going on. It didn't feel right to be there. I've kept quiet for a long time while others have spoken. That silence has allowed people to push their own version of events, even though they know it doesn't reflect what was really said and agreed behind closed doors. Quoting Alexander Isak verbatim. The reality is that promises were made and the club has known my position for a long time. To now act as if these issues are only emerging is misleading. When promises are broken and trust is lost, the relationship cannot continue. That's where things are for me right now. And why change is in the best interest of everyone, not just myself. Alexander Isak speaking. Yeah. So, will Liverpool return with another bid for Alexander Isak? He has just dropped a banger, a bombshell, a Premier League bombshell. Vows not to play for Newcastle again. Why then are Newcastle desperate to keep hold of a player who doesn't want them? Why reject a huge mammoth £110 million from the reigning Premier League champions? To what end? Is Isak worth all that money? Is he a special player? Is he the striker Liverpool desperately need? Is he any better than Hugo Ekitike? Will they both play together in a front three with Mo Salah? Or will the arrival of Alexander Isak push Ekitike to the bench? These are plenty interesting questions begging for answers. What are we to see? What are we to expect from Alexander Isak? Is it worth the hype? Is it the solution to Liverpool's attacking issues? Will he help Liverpool to dominate Europe and, of course, the Premier League, just as Ancelotti desires? Hey, 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 we are having fun right here on the show. Alexander Isak is injury prone. So why then do Liverpool desperately want him? Can he stay fit all through the season? Does he guarantee goals? Or is just a one-season wonder at Newcastle? Is any player worth over £100 million to start with? Newcastle are holding out for £150 million for Isak. Is it worth all that money, really? Hey, my take on that will shock you guys. Is Alexander Isak a world-class player, a world-class striker? Will he guarantee you 20 plus goals a season consistently? These are lingering questions begging for answers. Eh? Is Alexander Isak in the same conversation of strikers like Erling Haaland, Harry Kane, Victor Osimhen? Hey, is he better? Is he on the same level? Is he at par with these strikers? Harry Kane, Erling Haaland, Victor Osimhen, perhaps the three best strikers in world football at the moment. Eh? Show me the money. All right, guys. We are gradually winding down to the end of this one then today. It's been an amazing time out with you guys today. Don't forget, we do this on a daily basis. It's your one-stop shop for all the latest all across Europe and, of course, the world on what is happening, what is going on in the world of soccer, football, however you like to say it. And if you just joined us, we had gone through some of the happenings today, from Alexander Isak to Mo Salah winning the PFA award, to Cole Palmer, and of course, Bruno Fernandes missing out on the final 11. We take a look, a deep dive at all of that. So if you're just joining us, that is exactly what we've looked at so far. Alexander Isak dropping that bombshell. He doesn't want to play for Newcastle anymore. He says promises have been broken. And what do you make of the PFA team of this season without Bruno Fernandes or Cole Palmer in it? Well, there is enough space for three Arsenal players: Declan Rice, Saliba, and Gabriel. And we also went ahead to review some of the interesting transfer stories, transfer gist for you today across Europe. So we wind down already, coming to the end of this one again. It's been an amazing time with you guys. I thoroughly enjoyed myself today again, as usual. And trust me to be back again tomorrow at about this time, 5 p.m. Central. Lock the date on this page. It is Touchline Frenzy with me, Mayor Cares. This is where we do soccer like no one else. Hey, this is where we have fun like no other person. This is where we bring you all the latest happenings all across the globe in world of soccer. Breaking news, transfer rumors, controversies, headlines, stories, bombshells, shockers, plenty of all that and more you get on this page on a daily basis. Don't forget, guys, to go through my page and check out some of my videos. Earlier, I dropped something on lessons learned from the first weekend of action in the English Premier League, and where I think each of the top 16 would finish at the end of the season. Yep. Hey. All right, guys. I really appreciate you all. I'm signing out right now. Enjoyed myself. I always don't feel like leaving because it's way too much fun here to want to bow out. But then we got to go. It's enough fun for one day. Let's continue from here tomorrow again, as we're going to bring you some of the latest happenings across Europe. Alexander Isak will continue to monitor that one for you. Iberici Eze, will he become a Tottenham player? Magpies, is he heading to Liverpool? How will Liverpool and Newcastle resolve this Alexander Isak saga? Both of them meet next Monday in the Premier League. What a coincidence. All right, guys. It is your boy, Mayor Curse, signing out today. I will be back, God willing, for you all tomorrow. Come prepared. Let's have fun together. Peace out. Mm-hmm.